Eggs are a staple in most kitchens, right? They're versatile, nutritious, and delicious. But have you ever thought about what could be lurking inside this little shell? There are estimated of 150,000 people died a year due to egg consumption that is contaminated with salmonella. Today, we're cracking open the truth about the hidden dangers of salmonella in eggs. Salmonella is a bacteria that can cause serious food poisoning. While eggs are generally safe, they can sometimes carry this sneaky pathogen. Let's talk about how it gets there, the risks, and most importantly, how to keep you and your loved ones safe. First off, what exactly is salmonella? It's a type of bacteria that lives in the intestinal tracts of animals and humans. When it comes to eggs, salmonella can contaminate the inside of the egg before the shell forms or through tiny cracks after the egg is laid. This means even the cleanest-looking eggs can sometimes carry the bacteria. But don't freak out just yet. The risk is relatively low if you handle your eggs properly. So, what happens if you get infected? Symptoms of salmonella poisoning include diarrhea, fever, and stomach cramps. For most people, it's unpleasant but manageable. However, for young children, the elderly, pregnant women, and those with weakened immune systems, it can be much more serious and even life-threatening. In the US alone, the CDC estimates about 1.35 million cases of salmonella infections occur annually. A significant chunk of those cases comes from contaminated eggs. Scary, right? All right, now let's get to the good stuff, how to protect yourself. First of all, always buy eggs from a reputable source. Look for clean, uncracked shells and check for an expiration date. And remember, eggs labeled pasteurized are your best bet for reducing risk. Secondly, keep your eggs refrigerated at 40 deg or 4 deg C or lower. This slows down the growth of any bacteria that might be present. Thirdly, always remember to cook eggs thoroughly. Cook your eggs until both the yolk and the white are firm. Dishes containing eggs, like casseroles or custards, should be cooked to an internal temperature of 160 degrees 71 degrees. Sorry, fans of runny yolks, this step is crucial. Another important tip is try avoid raw eggs in recipes. Say goodbye to raw cookie dough and homemade mayo unless you're using pasteurized eggs. It's just not worth the risk. Last but not least, practice good kitchen hygiene. Always wash your hands, utensils, and surfaces thoroughly after handling raw eggs. Cross-contamination is a major way bacteria spreads. To sum it up, salmonella in eggs is a real risk, but it's one we can manage with proper precaution. Eggs are a fantastic food, and with a little care, you can enjoy them safely. Thanks for tuning in to learn about the hidden dangers of salmonella in eggs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more food safety tips. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.